Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Black and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Crypto.com Crocoin, take a look at the Cronos ecosystem, give you guys my opinion where I think we could be headed with Bitcoin, and I also want to take a look at Puush, and Mery, and give you my opinion on the overall sentiment in the Cronos ecosystem as well as the overall ecosystem of cryptocurrency. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop in this video. So guys, first things first, over on crypto Twitter, you can follow me at 333blacksea. We're on day 64 proposing crypto.com market buyback and burn Crocoin with a percentage of quarterly profits. Guys, we need speculation and volume to get brought back into the Cronos ecosystem. It is dying without it. We need more users to come into this space, and this is a perfect solution to that problem. This will drive speculation to the Cronos ecosystem. The Crow fam deserves another Cronos meme coin season. Mery, and Puush, guys. You know, when the degens come into the space, when people want to have some fun with these low market cap meme coins, you know what it does? Sure, it may be risky, but what it really does is it drives volume to the chain. It makes developers want to build on the chain, and it's a beautiful cycle where it pulls more users and more volume into the chain, causing, well, Cronos ecosystem, Crocoin, to get some love. Watering the plants, you're bringing water to the garden, and then the garden grows. It's as simple as that, guys. So please go follow me, 333blacksea, over on crypto Twitter. Let's push this message. We can do it together, Crow fam. Go and share this message. Let's start this conversation with Crypto.com, start this conversation with Cronos Labs, and really just get this in front of, say, Chris Marszalek, the CEO of Crypto.com, and see if we can start this conversation, drive some speculation on this market. So let's take a look at Crocoin. Cronos is sitting at rank number 35. Pretty incredible, guys. You know, we came all the way down. At one point, we were in the top 10. Something to keep in mind, guys. At one point, yes, Cronos was in the top 10. We are falling down the 7-day, down about 10%. We're going to take a look at the Cronos chart shortly because we have broken some very, very important levels, and I want to give you guys my opinion on where I think we'll be headed with that. So when we look at Cronos a little bit closer, we're sitting at a $2.4 billion market cap. The overall 24-hour volume is a little bit underneath 5 million, up 62% on the day is pretty incredible. That means that we are trading at probably close to a $3 million 24-hour volume yesterday, which is not that good, to be honest with you guys. But, you know, over at the Crypto Report, I want to be as transparent as possible. When I see something, I'm going to tell you guys what I think about it. I'm not going to just constantly be a big bull because it gets views. I'm going to be honest. And if I'm a little bit bearish, I'll be honest with you guys, and I'll say, hey, you know, this could be better. It could be better. But that being said, the overall crypto market is hurting. We've been trading sideways for over 7 months, guys, okay? People are going to get tired. People are going to get bored. People are going to capitulate. But the people that are the last men and women standing, are going to get rewarded. And if you are watching this, hit that like button. Let me know that you are still in this and you believe in crypto. So let's take a look over the Cronos ecosystem meme coins right now. is sitting at $27.3 million market cap, kind of just draining down, but we have been basically chopping around the $30 to $33 million market cap for Mery above 3.3 million, which I like to see, sitting at a 4.1 million. And all these other coins, well, we're holding up relatively well. You know, Bitcoin we're in a new month, guys. We're in September, and September usually is a bearish month. But I have my opinion on that. Later in this video, I'm going to give you guys my general synopsis of where I think we're going to be headed here for September for Bitcoin and where the Cronos ecosystem will probably follow with it because, well, guys, what does Bitcoin do? Bitcoin is the tide that raises all the boats, and it also is the tide that brings the boats into the coral reef and smashes it into pieces. So just keep that in mind. But if you guys do want to trade some of these meme coins, maybe you think that the bottom is in and you want to catch that bottom, get a nice swing long, a high leverage scalp, or a nice leverage short because you think, no, these are all going to zero, check out some fantastic links down below. We have a $5,000 sign-in bonus to Blowfin. They have many, many meme coins on that if you want to leverage trade them, as well as other majors as well, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. All you got to do is click the link, deposit, trade a little bit, and you get a bunch of free money, $5,000 sign-in bonus for these meme coins. All you got to do, it's in the comments section. I'll have it in the pinned comment as well in the description box, so click that if that interests you. So let's take a look at Crocoin. So Crocoin right now has broken below a very key support level. The support level sitting at 0.0830 cent level has broken down, and I'm going to be honest with you guys, that's weak. That is a sign of weakness. I think that we probably see this spill over a little bit. The question is, do we just bomb back down to 0.0689 cents? I'm going to say there's a higher likelihood that that does happen than it does not happen, especially if Bitcoin decides to chop around here. And Monday is a very important day here for Bitcoin. Excuse me, Tuesday, because Monday is a holiday. So Tuesday, weekly open for Bitcoin will probably be driving the overall weekly sentiment and to give us a better idea of what direction we're going to be headed here with Crocoin. But I do think that there is a higher likelihood that we start to spill over and make our way down to that 0.0689 cent level. So, that being said, let's take a look at where the overall market is. Let's take a look at where Bitcoin's at. Bitcoin's trading at $58,544, down about 0.5% on the day. Bitcoin dominance sitting at 56.26%. We exclude stablecoins, 58.26%. We have been coming down. I've been saying this for a while now, guys. I believe that Bitcoin dominance is topped out until we get a capitulation to the downside, breaking out of this channel that we're in, or getting an impulse wave to the upside, breaking, say, new all-time highs, which, a lot of people may say, oh, Black Sea, we've been trading sideways for months and months. It doesn't look that good. But, guys, Bitcoin can flip on a dime, can go up $10,000, $20,000 in the span of a week. It can happen. I've seen it happen. I've been in this crypto market since 2017, 2016, and I see it happen time and time again. When everyone starts to get so bearish, and guys, the sentiment on the timeline and in the market right now it's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. The volume is non-existent. We were just talking about Crocoin had a $3 million daily volume. That's nothing. It's nothing. The overall sentiment right now, people are bored. They're kicking themselves because they would have rather been in stocks because stocks have been outperforming crypto. And people come to crypto for volatility, higher risk, higher reward. And right now it's higher risk with no reward. So people are getting shaken out. And guys, when people start getting shaken out, know that the bottom is close. So just keep that in mind. So Bitcoin right now, we're looking at the weekly. The weekly looks all right. The weekly looks a lot better than the monthly, which we'll take a look at shortly here. So it looks like, we're just chopping. We're chopping. We're starting to make our way to the upside of this channel, honestly. I like this little trajectory we're seeing. But the higher-term time frames supersede the shorter-term time frames, and that's something to pay attention to, And we also are seeing that the money flow on market cipher is kind of coming down. It's clipping down. It doesn't look that good. When we look at monthly is scary. Monthly is scary, guys. It's really, without picking this apart, we'll pick this apart, but without picking it apart, it immediately starts to look to me that we're sloping down and heading into a longer-term corrective period and probably a little bit bearish. And I know that people hate on the bearish videos, and I'm sure I'll get hate for talking bearish, but it's just what I see. It's what I see. It's the sentiment. People are very bearish right now, but they're in the right spot. They're rightfully so. They should be bearish because it doesn't look that good on the monthly term time frame. It does look like it's starting to slide over, but it's not over. It's not like, oh, the market cycle top is in. All I'm saying here is that if September is bearish and we come down, worst case scenario, come down. I know I'm going to say this. I'm warning you guys. What I'm about to say is going to shock you. It is possible that we come down to say $46,000, maybe even $42,000. But I think the likelihood of that is very, very slim. But it is on the table if September wants to be a shaky month. And what does that mean for Crocoin and the altcoins? It means that we probably come further down. And I will be honest, though, a lot of the altcoins have been beaten up pretty bad already. Bitcoin dominance is topped out, in my opinion. If we break below, say, $55,000, then I would say, okay, now Crocoin probably comes down to that 0.0689 cent level. Probably see Solana below $100. Probably see Ethereum make some scary moves down to high, maybe $1,800, $1,900. I know that sounds crazy, but it's just what I'm seeing if it plays out that way. But when everyone is so bearish, the timeline's so bearish, it becomes an overcrowded trade, and that's when max pain comes, and that's when the majority is on the wrong side. And if the majority is bearish, that's just something to keep in the back of your mind, guys. The majority is bearish right now. Usually the opposite needs to happen. And if you guys think that, oh, well, we can all be bearish and it can all come down, somebody's got to be on the other end of that trade. And if everyone is shorting right now, and I think a lot of people are shorting, I think don't be surprised if you see a quick move to the upside, and I think that there's a high likelihood of that happening. The more the bearish sentiment really gets intense, and when you see the timeline right now, the bearish sentiment is absolutely ridiculous. But guys, if you think that the bottom is in, let me know in the comment section below. If you think that we're going to come down below 45,000, this yellow line right here, let me know in the comment section below. Do you think that Crocoin will generate a new Cronos meme coin season? Will Crypto.com finally start to acknowledge the Cronos ecosystem and start listing some of these meme coins and really start generating some speculation? Let me know in the comment section below. But that's all I got for you guys. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one. Hold on to your pants, guys. This might be an interesting month. Bye.